Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to save Instagram Reels directly to your phone's gallery in 2025. This way you can watch them offline anytime without relying on any third-party application. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Instagram application on your phone. Then you need to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply tap on this Reels icon here in the bottom. Then you need to simply scroll and try to find that particular reel which you want to basically save in your gallery. You can also tap on the option of profile icon of the creator, then go to the Reels tab and search for the reels in their feed. Now, after selecting the reel, you are going to see this share icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So simply tap on the option of the share icon. Then you need to swipe to the right and the third last option would be of download. Now you need to tap on this download option and this particular reel will be saved in your gallery, but you can't use it commercially and I won't recommend you to use it commercially. You can just view it anytime you want in your gallery. So this is the option is officially given by Instagram. So if the creator has allowed the download option, only then you will be able to see the download option. So if you are not able to see the download option, maybe the creator of that reel has disabled that. So this is how you can download the Instagram Reels videos straight to your gallery in 100% safe and legit way. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.